Ahoy, mateys! Ever dreamt of sailing the high seas in your very own trailer sailor? Feel the wind in your hair and the salty spray on your face? Find that finance can make that dream a reality. Our boat loans are designed to help you acquire the vessel you've always wanted. Picture yourself exploring hidden coves, anchoring in tranquil bays, and enjoying the freedom of the open water. With our free loan eligibility assessments and pre-approvals, you'll be setting sail in no time. So, hoist the mainsail and chart a course to adventure. Visit findthatfinance.com.au, and let's get you on board with your nautical dreams. Anchors away! Like, subscribe, comment and share.